Good morning, guys. Check it out. Unbelievable smell. It's like mint. I'm gonna put the text because I'm not sure what's the translation of this beautiful plant. And I got these little flowers for my baby. So I just came back from BMW and changed the oil on the Beamer, the brakes oil. Because I couldn't do it myself. I just worry a little bit how to control the the CPU for the to clean all the oil inside the ABS unit, okay? And you know, well, you have to pay to learn, okay? And what they did really, that's for the old ABS units, and they used to have a big problem to clean her up and everything. And these guys, what they did is, I couldn't do it. Like, I paid 46.5 euros just to learn. Okay. Crown, okay, yes. So they just bleed the front and they bleed the rear, but they bleed a lot. I mean, they did the each one of them separately, okay, and they have a bottle to get the new oil out, okay. So they suck the oil from there, they put they empty this one, and they just keep pouring oil bottles. So that means they clean up the whole system. I asked the mechanic, I mean, I came here so you can clean the ABS unit. All right, hello there. And he told me that's for the old unit. You don't have to run the computer anymore. The oil runs through it and cleans the whole system by itself by just keep pressing, you know, the front and rear and take the air out like we used to do for years, okay? So that's what happened. But, you know, I learned something. I didn't want to touch the ABS really a bit. That was the only thing I was really worried about it. And let's see what kind of oil they put. Plus, this oil is a little bit different. Check it out. Okay, it says BMW Group. I have a little bit left, just in case I have to fill it up. All right. BMW Group DOT4. Okay, and it has a sticker here on the front that it says BMW Group. I'm gonna find out what kind of oil is that, believe me. I'm just curious. They put a sticker there, so maybe we won't see what kind of oil they use. I can probably take it out. Let's see. Hold on. Monster. Beamers, beamers, beamers. Okay, so let's see. I mean, you can buy it from the dealer. They sell it. They won't tell you, but you know, this is a little bit different here. Look at that. This has it has a code here. BMW. I'll be honest with you, I have never seen something like that. I'm gonna search on the internet. What kind of oil is that? There's nothing there. But this is like a little paper with notes. Okay. I don't see anything really hiding on the back of that. Made in Germany. Alright, doesn't matter. We can buy that from BMW, but you know, I can tell you the bike behaves really good. I have a little bit problem with my front and the rear brake, and the bike it performs excellent on the way back when I came back home. So it needed to change the oil, believe me. Okay, so that was the oil change on the ABS on the Beamer. Very easy. Definitely, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna buy the brake fluid and I'm gonna do it myself. Ridiculous easy. I didn't know that. But if you have an older BMW than that, that's a 2009. The registration says 2010. If you have older than that, I won't recommend it because they say from that year and up, the oil runs through the ABS module. Okay, so that's it. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Yes, I'm working on my Harley.